Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be testing out the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. That's the boxes. I got two shades because I was actually going to use this for a wedding. So, and that's what it looks like. So we're going to play with this, see what we think. I'm also going to be doing a little look with the Warrior Palette by Juvia's Place. So, and that's what that looks like. So we're just going to hang out and test out some new things and see what we think about them. And if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm taking off my glasses and I'm going to put on a little bit of ColourPop Wild Nothing Cream Shadow and Laurel. I'm going to use this as an eye base, and I'm just going to go ahead and do it off camera just so we can save some time. Alright, the first shade in the Warrior palette that I'm taking is Cano. It's mid-tone brown. And I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm using the BK Beauty 202 brush. Alright, so now I'm taking the Alter Ego #1 brush. It's just a fluffy pinch brush. And I'm going to take Mino right here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Alright, I made a huge mess, but I'm going to see if I can't clean up the fallout and everything with a cotton round and some micellar water. I'm taking my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And I'm going to put that on my face real quick to prime my face. Alright, so now I'm taking the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Salzburg Light 3.5. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Callie. What are you doing? Thank you. And I'm using the BK Beauty 101 brush to blend that out. I think that's a halfway decent shade match. I'm going to go into the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in 08 Light. And I just want to use this just because it's my tried and true concealer. The one that seems to make my under eyes look the best. And I'm taking my concealer brush to blend that out. And I'm using my number 7 powder in light just to set that concealer. Alright, so I got the Soul Face and Body Bronzing Balm in light. Oh. And I'm going to use this to see if I can't warm up my face a little bit. I'm going to use the Sparkling Rose e.l.f. monochromatic blush again. This was the first one that I used. I'm going to take the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going over my brow. Going over the other brow. Going down the nose. Cupid's bow. And the chin. I'm going to take Mino, the dark brown shade, and I'm going to put that under my lower lash line. I'm going to put the ColourPop BFF Creme Gel Liner in Sunnyvale on my waterline. And I'm taking Bakwa right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to hop off here and put some Thrive mascara on my lashes real quick. Alright, I'm going to try a little something out of my comfort zone. I'm going to be putting on the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in, I don't know the shade, Red the Scene. So it's a red lip liner. We'll see if this looks good with this look too. So and I'm going to put the MAC Amplified Creme lipstick in Debonair. I'm going to put that on my lips and we'll see what it looks like. What do y'all think? Is this fall? I got this MAC lipstick in a BoxyCharm, so I wanted to try it out and see what I thought about it. I don't wear red a whole lot, so I'm definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. I'm going to take NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray my face real quick. Alright, well, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I'm going to kind of go over the new products that we played with. The Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I think this looks beautiful. It's so smooth. It's just looks so beautiful on the skin. I really, really like the way that it looks. I think it didn't disappoint. So I'm real excited to keep playing with this. I'm real excited to keep trying and seeing how it wears and all that fun stuff. You'll probably see me using this in a few videos. So next up is the Soul Face and Body Bronzing Balm. I think it looks good. At first, when I first applied it, I thought that it was taking up my foundation, but it just kind of makes it look smooth, really smooth, and just kind of gives some color to the skin. I think it's really pretty. It's a really good cream bronzer. You can also use it on the rest of your body, your legs, your arms, everywhere. So I really think this was a good investment. I think it looks really pretty. The Juvia's Place palette, the Warrior palette, I really like it. I love the shimmers in here. The brown is just beautiful for a smoky eye. And then there's so many shimmers to choose from. I just wanted to kind of do a little bit of something in the inner corner with the shimmers and just keep it smoky and matte on the lid. But I mean, there's just so many that I almost couldn't choose. It's so beautiful. This is just, I mean, you have three mattes. You have a dark brown, a light brown, and then like a cream color. And then everything else is shimmer. So you literally have enough to set up a look, and then you just pick which shimmer you want on the lid. So, and I think that's a really cool type of idea. If you're going to do a neutral eye, that's pretty much all you need is a light, medium, dark brown, and then some different color shimmers. So I really like this palette. I think it's beautiful. And I do like the MAC lipstick. I think it's really pretty. I'm not used to wearing red, but I think it looks real pretty, and I think it actually complements the smoky eye. It gives a little fall vibe. So I'm real happy with the look that I got, and real excited to keep playing with some of these new products and testing them out more. But if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.